Meaning of 5-star.
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 5-star. The term 5-star is often used to describe a rating or classification system for hotels, restaurants, and other businesses. In general, a 5-star rating indicates the highest level of quality and luxury, with exceptional amenities, services, and overall customer experience. These businesses typically offer top-notch comfort, convenience, and cuisine, with thoughtful attention to detail and personalized service. However, the meaning of 5-star can vary depending on the specific industry or country, and different organizations may have slightly different criteria for awarding this designation.